So this is the results. Hey guys, it's time to twin it, and today we're going to be making this Sour Patch Kid squishy idea that I have. So yeah, it's going to be a tutorial. Alright, then we're going to draw our Sour Patch Kid. When you're done, it should look like this. Alright, so we're going to want to cut the top off right here. And then you're going to leave this bottom piece, and I'll tell you why. So you're going to leave the bottom piece out, or else the pressing seal will stick to it. And now we're going to trace around it. So it should look like this, and then you're going to take the paper out. And the reason why I flipped it over, because if you didn't, you want to see like where you drew. Then you're going to take half a tablespoon and put it right here in the center. And this is baking soda if you're curious. And then you can choose whatever color you want. I'm going to do red. And then put this right here. And then you're going to want to fold it over. And you want to make sure that you seal it off as best as you can, so that nothing like leaks or something. And now we're going to cut it out. So this is the results. Whoa. If you want to know how to make this, watch my next video.